Hello friends, how are you doing today? Hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you few tips and tricks for Windows 10. Ever since Windows 10 was released, Microsoft has brought a number of updates. It does include many handy features that are quite useful. And with the new updates, there are new tricks or hidden features in Windows 10. So today I'm going to show you few tips and tricks for Windows 10. This video will include a mix of newer features, but also some of the older classics that are still available for the use with Windows 10. So let's go ahead. Number 1. Shake, or we can say it arrow shake. This trick is an old classic that's been around since Windows 7 and it still works today with Windows 10. If your screen is getting cluttered with open windows, you could just minimize each windows individually. But instead, I'll show you a faster way. Left click on the title bar of the program you're working with, and with the left mouse button held down, shake your mouse back and forth from left to right to minimize all the windows. So this is how it works. And if you want to bring all the other windows back up, just shake your mouse again and that's all. So now moving on to the next step, take a screenshot. This is a built-in screenshot tool for Windows. To activate it, you have to press Windows key plus Shift plus the letter S. So you will get the choices that are rectangular, freeform, window, and full screen snip. I'll go with the rectangular one. So you just have to left click and drag the area that you want to select. And the selected area will be saved to the clipboard. So once it is saved, you can see the options where you can mark up your image. You can see the tools at the top. So now moving on to the third option, that is reduce distractions. Notifications can be a huge distractions. To gain control over these notifications, you have to go to the Settings app. You have to go to System, and in the left pane, you have to select Focus Assist. Now here you will see three choices. Off. If you will turn it off, you will get every notification from your apps and contacts. If you select Priority Only, you will see only selected notification from the priority list. You can also customize your priority list. And the third is Alarms Only. This will hide all the notification except for alarms. And at the bottom, you will see Automatic Rules where you can select date and time according to your priority list. Now moving on to the fourth option, Slide to shut down. So this is a very cool trick that use full screen slide down to power off your computer. So let me tell you how you have to set it up. On your desktop, you have to right click, go to New, select Shortcut, and in the empty field, enter what is shown in a notepad below. When you are done with that, click on Next and then Finish. So here's a new shortcut now. When you double click on it, just drag the bar all the way down to the bottom of your screen to power off your computer. I won't be doing this now. Still got work to do. Now moving on to the fifth option, that is Emoji Menu. At any time you need to bring out the menu of emoji, press Windows key plus period key on your keyboard. So you can see an emoji menu here. In addition, there's a tab to access key emoji characters and a good selection of symbols. So this is how you can use Emoji Menu. Now moving on to the sixth option, that is calculate time difference. So for that you have to go to search bar and you have to search for alarms and clock. When you click on that, you have to select clock tab from the top, and here's how you can set different locations. This is useful if you have friends, family, or business associates outside your area. For example, my time zone is here, and from my zone, Sydney is 4 hours 30 minutes ahead, and Virginia is 9 hours 30 minutes behind. I can add multiple locations which I want to see. So you can add your locations as well from here. Just click on plus and you can enter your location. Like I'll show you how. I'll add New York. So New York is also 9 hours 30 minutes behind. So you can pin different locations according to your choices. And if you want to remove any location, just click here, select the bar, and click on the bin icon. So your location will get deleted. Now moving on to the seventh option, that is calculator. For that you have to click on Start menu and select Calculator. So this is a built-in calculator app. Many of us don't realize just how powerful it is. Most of you are familiar with the standard calculator. If you click the menu icon on the upper left corner, you will find additional calculators including scientific, programmer, and date calculations. And below you will find more than dozens of converters. Now moving on to the eighth option, that is dynamic lock. There are situations when you get up from your office desk to grab a cup of coffee, but you forget to lock your laptop. Well, you wouldn't want your coworkers to take a peek inside your laptop, would you? Well, this is where the cool dynamic lock feature comes into play. Dynamic lock automatically locks on your PC when you're away. So you just have to enable your Bluetooth and pair your phone with your laptop via Bluetooth. And after that, you have to go to Settings from Search. You have to go to Accounts, click on Sign In Options. Now scroll below to find Dynamic Lock options. So if your box is unchecked, you just have to check this box and you will see your paired device here. You can pair your cell phone with your computer, and this is how it works. So whenever you are away from your computer and you have a cell phone with you, your computer will get automatically locked. So these are some of the cool features that you can use in Windows 10. Thank you. Have a good day.